Hi, welcome to Doublereno Woodworking and Leather. So today I've got a little bit of a dilemma. I have a pouch here that I form fitted. It's for a friend of mine who's a beekeeper, and this is just some miscellaneous tools and stuff that he uses with his beekeeping that he's always losing and falling out of his pocket and all that, so he wanted a little leather pouch to keep him where he can keep up with them. So I form fitted this, and I'm assuming when I flatten this area here out to go around these, it pushed the leather up and made this curve right here. But I don't want that curve. So this is what it would end up looking like, and I really don't want that. I want it to be flat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a Dremel tool with a saw blade on it, and I'm going to cut across. So basically I'll have something like that. I'll cut across this line right here, and then this thing will be flat across the top. And I've got plenty of leather left when I trim some of that off, because this piece here I'm going to cut up short. It'll go over a piece this size, but it'll be short and come around up here. So I have extra leather on the bottom, so I have enough room to take some off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tape it onto this, and I'm just going to show you one more thing too. I've got this line here that is parallel with these. So as long as I keep this cut 90 degrees from this line, it'll still be straight up and down. So what I'm going to do is take this, I'm going to put double-sided tape on it. I'm going to line it up with that line, and then flush it up with the lowest point of that circle. And once I have that taped on there, then I'll just hold it down, and then I'll come with my Dremel tool and cut across there, and I should have a nice straight line. So I'm going to get it all taped up and we'll get started. So I have my little Dremel tool, and this is just a little saw blade that I bought. I think I got these at Harbor Freight, got the Dremel tool off Amazon. I'll leave links to that stuff too down in the description if you're interested in one. It's pretty handy for a lot of stuff. So I got this thing weighted down. I got it up on some blocks where it's all flat and everything, and weighted down. Hopefully that way I can hold it with two hands. So let's see what happens. Okay, it looks like it worked pretty good. Now I'm going to have to do some sanding, but I'll just take a sanding block now and I can just sand that smooth, but that did get the majority of it off. The only problem I ran into is that this right here gets in the way. If the blade was, you know, a little bit longer, excuse me, if the blade was longer, I could have came all the way in from the bottom, but I'll put a little bit of a sand on it, and then we'll see what it looks like. Hey, we just got some 80 grit sandpaper here, so I'm just going to run that across here and see if I can get it finished out being flat. Okay, I got it nice and flat across here now. I'll just come back in, I can pull this back off, and I'll do a little bit of burnishing on those edges and make them look nice. So anyway, I'm not doing a video on making this thing because it was really kind of a wing it deal. And but I will post a picture of the finished product on my Instagram. I've got a Doublereno Leatherworks Instagram and Facebook account going now. I'll leave links down the bottom if you want to join those, and then I'll have pictures and a few videos and stuff on there too. Anyway, I appreciate you watching. Please like, please subscribe, please share my videos. Thank you.